many psychologically and the psychotic problems. For example, anxiety problem, depression problem, stress, and dizziness, and up so on. There are many problems in the older age. Disorder of cognition in the older age, it can be possible. Cognition work with the passage of time, and in the young age, cognition work in active role in active role or better way. But in the older age, cognition work improperly. We can say simply, or in the later age, or in the age of 40 year, 50 year, 60 year, cognition will be works at slow level. So it can be possible cognition or disorder of cognition can be possible in the older age. And now I will tell you about the delirium. First of all, you should understand about the delirium. What is the delirium? You can say a rapidly developing acute disturbance in attention and orientation that make it very difficult to concentrate and think in a clear and organized manner. It simply we can say delirium is a disorder about the attention and the orientation. Orientation means about the consciousness, and attention means focus the eyes and up so on. If any person has these problems in the older age, then we can say this patient is involved in the delirium. And next, neurocognitive disorder, the clear with the name neurocognitive disorder, a disorder about the neurological problem and the cognitive problem. In the older age, we can say neurocognitive problem. And next are the major neurocognitive disorder. There are many major neurocognitive disorder. In the older age, cognition is not work properly, so it can be possible major neurocognitive disorder. Mild neurocognitive disorder, we can say that if the cognition will work at the mild level, then it will call the mild neurocognitive disorder. If the cognition will work at the major level, then we can say that the major neurocognitive disorder. And now I will tell you about the next our disorder. Next our disorder is Alzheimer disease. Alzheimer disease, you should understand about it at the age of 40 or before the 40-year age, the brain cell will not work properly, or many cells dead with the passage of age. It can be possible forgetting can be possible with the patient. Forgetting can be possible with the or with other member of society. If any person had forgotten problem, it means he or she is involved in the Alzheimer disease. Simply, we can say the most common type of neurocognitive disorder usually occurring after the age of 65, marked most prominently by memory impairment. According to the DSM-4 criteria, after 40 years it can be possible Alzheimer disease, but according to the DSM-5 criteria, after the 65-year age, cognition will not work properly, and the mostly brain cell will be damaged. Due to the brain cell damage, it can be possible a person can be involved